What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. If you watched last video to the very end, shout out to you. But you'll notice that I cut it off somehow because I was looking at the timer planning on, stop before the cutoff time because the camera only records 20 minutes. But I don't know, I got too involved and it just cut me off. So yeah, I'm doing a terms and conditions. Uh, it's a little form or whatever. This is the one that I'm trying to make. I'm trying to replicate it. And then this is the one that I'm making. It's almost there. Right now I'm working on this over here. This part right here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to let's look at the top section right now. The top section, which would be this right here. Now I might need to size that up. Top section. Give it a height of, let's see, probably it doesn't have a height now, so I can be like double of what it is now. Let's see, that looks to be about 5 rem. Let's try that out. So that would be top section. Give it a height, 5 rem. Let's see. It looks like it made it a little bit smaller. Yeah. Okay, so how about we add something like that. Add 3. That looks better. What does the other one look like? We have that. And we have this. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now the top is a little bit different, so that's why it looks that way. But yeah, that's pretty decent. It's like that. And so, yeah, I'll keep that. And now as for the names, the inputs, the font's a little bit smaller. So we can do font size, let's say 1 rem. And then for these right here, these little stars right there, we'll do I'm trying to see if they're the only paragraphs, and it looks like there is inside of these here. They're the only paragraphs, so that I can do top section. I'll let you do them in order of appearance, so it'd be first name title. So after first name title, input right here. So we'll do the top section P, and we'll give it a color of red. And that's also with the height. So the height is, the font size. It's probably a little bit smaller. Let's go with 0.75. And it's because it's the input. I thought it was the input for some reason, but it's gonna be label. There's only 3 labels, huh? The whole top section, 3 labels. Okay, I'll do all labels. I'll do them right above. Yeah, right above what I have now. So I'll go ahead and just copy this one here. Actually, delete it as well. And then we'll go in here. We'll go to the label and boom. It's a little too small. Let's go with something bigger. Let's go with 0.9. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, that looks better. What else? We have a little bit of a space under there. Is there a space? Yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. Doesn't have to be pixel perfect. But yeah, it looks pretty decent. Alright, let's go on to the next one, which would be the middle section. I never named it. I thought I did for some reason, but I never did. That's weird. Let's go ahead and name it, you know, something simple, like middle section. And we're gonna give it the same width. If I give it, you know what? I'm gonna give it the same width as the email, so it could be aligned. That's what I'm gonna do. Email. What was the? First off, let's give the text area an ID of turns. Let's actually give it like some sort of an identifier. So let's go like middle terms, middle section, middle terms, and we'll do up here. We'll do terms title. Starting off with the title. Let's add a little comment right here. Let's do middle section. Signature section, yeah, middle section. And then let's do for the title. It looks like it's the same font size, so I'll do that. What was it? I think it was terms title. We'll do font. What was it? Sorry. Let's try that out, see what that looks like. And there's a little, there's not that much of a gap. We can leave the gap that way. Now, as for the width, text area, middle terms. Okay. Middle terms. I'm gonna give it a width of, where's the email? 38 rem. 38 rem. Also, I'm gonna give it the same border radius. No, it's not the border radius. I'll give it the same border too. Just like that. There it is. As for the height, I think this one's resizable. Actually, I'm gonna make mine not resizable, only scrollable. How do you do that? How do you do that? Is it like resize? None? Resize none? Let's see. I'm gonna give it no resize, but I will give it the same height. So if I reload it, the default height that it has, which is about, I don't know, let's try it out. I'll do it up here with the width. I'll give it a height of half of the, what is that, 18? Is that 19? And then it's gonna be red. Yeah, that looks about right. Not resizable. Although the words kind of cut off a little bit. What I don't want to do is edit the. I'm gonna go ahead and just make the text smaller. I don't want to have to edit. Also, for some reason, the font family didn't go through on this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paste it on there. Where is it? Right here. There it is. Alright, so it's a lot better. Now I need to make the font size bigger. So let's do font size 1 rem. Looks, I mean, normally it starts at 1 rem. And why does it look so together? There's no spacing or anything like that. I might have to add it. I have to add that spacing. Didn't want to, but you know, it is what it is. I could do last update. Is it the same way I added here? So if I add a spacing, is it gonna be on there as well? Okay, it will. Why is there a padding? Why is there a huge padding? Also, what color is that? I'm for this video, we're just gonna do the colors. That's it. We'll end it with that. So we'll have a background color of white, and then we're gonna adjust it right now. And then the color for the font. It doesn't look like it's been used before. I think this is the first. Yeah, let's see if it's the first. We'll do black. So we'll adjust the background color. It's whitish, grayish, something like that. And then the color of the text. What did I have the other one as? I forgot. We'll do that. Forgot what I had up here. 44. I doubled it. Or is it lighter? I think it 44. No, I doubled it. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, it's a little too dark. Too dark. Let's do like halfway there. Something like that. But the text actually looks pretty good. That's still a little too dark. Damn. It looks light on here, but over there looks a little bit different. That looks a lot better. That looks a lot better. The text as well. It's pretty good. But it does look smaller. It does look smaller, so we'll... Actually, I'm going to do it the same size as this one, which was 0.9. So we'll do that. And then we'll fix the spacing some other day. Yeah, we'll fix the spacing and the padding some other day. That's going to be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.